Welcome to the heart of Oldenburg. Step into a world of wonder and spirituality at St. Lamberti Church in Oldenburg. This enchanting historical gem, nestled at the heart of the city between the castle and the town hall, beckons you to explore its timeless beauty. The Lamberti Church has a rich history that spans several centuries. Its origins can be traced back to the 13th century, and it underwent significant renovations during the 19th century. However, its initial construction as a Romanesque hall took place sometime between 1155 and 1234. Over the years, it underwent various alterations and modifications, resulting in its current appearance. On its exterior, you will find a distinctive rotunda-style basilica design, which draws inspiration from the iconic Pantheon in Rome, Italy. Situated to the north of the church is the historic Rathaus, or City Hall, adding to the charm of the area. Meanwhile, to the southeast, you'll discover the magnificent Schloss Oldenburg, further enhancing the architectural and cultural significance of this part of Oldenburg. This historic church serves as the focal point of the city and holds the distinction of being the oldest. It also serves as the primary place of worship for the bishop of the Evangelical Lutheran Church in Oldenburg. Beyond its role as a place of worship, St. Lamberti Church plays host to numerous communal activities, essential services, and vibrant events. It stands as an inclusive, welcoming church, offering lively church music and a wide array of programs for both its local community and individuals from across the city and the surrounding regions. From the outside, it may appear as a traditional church, but prepare to be awestruck once you step through its doors. Opening hours are designed to accommodate your visit and ensure you have ample time to explore this incredible place of worship. Inside, you'll discover a captivating fusion of tradition and modernity. Picture a circular concert hall bathed in a contemporary, pristine white atmosphere with a magnificent glass-domed roof overhead. St. Lamberti Church is not just a place of worship, it's a hub of community activity, offering a rich tapestry of experiences. From vibrant church music echoing through its modern interior to a diverse array of programs and events, this church has something to captivate everyone. So, whether you seek a moment of quiet reflection, an opportunity to immerse yourself in history and architecture, or simply a unique and unforgettable experience, St. Lamberti Church invites you to step inside and discover the magic within its walls. Join us in exploring the fusion of old and new, where tradition meets innovation and where a visit becomes an unforgettable journey of the spirit. Come, be inspired, and create memories that will last a lifetime at St. Lamberti Church in Oldenburg.